Video script, most people think old monitors belong in a landfill. I see something else. A piece of history waiting to be reborn. We stripped the LCD panel, removed the backlight, and treated the glass like a canvas. This isn't just recycling. It's bringing a ghost back to life. Now, instead of a black box, you have a window into your machine. The pixels float in mid-air. It's minimal. It's magical. And it costs less than a new monitor. Don't throw away the past. Make it transparent. Video title, I turned my old monitor into a transparent PC display, visual search terms,